Valli and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two very easy pasta recipes that you can make under 15 minutes. These are perfect for a weeknight meal, especially if you're lazy but you want something quick and delicious. If you're a fan of pasta, you're going to love this one, so stick around and let's get started with pasta number one, which is the classic basil tomato pasta. We're going to start with a large pot of boiling water and adding about 2 spoons of salt to it. While the water is coming to a boil, we can start by prepping our veggies on the side. Let's start by chopping 2 large cloves of garlic. This may seem too garlicky, but remember it's the main ingredient of the dish and gives out a lot of flavor. Remember to mince it well though. Now we're going to take our cherry tomatoes and chop them into halves. You can also use regular tomatoes, but then cherry tomatoes are slightly sweeter and are definitely a better choice for this recipe. Now we can add our pasta to the hot boiling water. I'm just going to stir it in so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. While the pasta is boiling, I'm going to start making the sauce on the side. This should be ready by the time the pasta is cooked, so it literally takes 15 minutes to whip up this delicious meal. We're going to start by taking a pan on medium heat and adding some olive oil. I'm adding roughly around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to add my minced garlic and watch it sizzle in that oil. Keep stirring until the garlic is golden brown in color. Next, we can add in our cherry tomatoes and let them cook in that garlic oil. The best part about them is that they cook really fast, so about 3 to 4 minutes should be enough for them to get soft. At this point, you can add some salt to taste and stir it well. Lastly, add some cracked pepper, as it gives a lot of punch to this sauce. It's now time to add our boiled pasta to the sauce and tear in some fresh basil leaves. These give out a subtle flavor to the pasta sauce. Mix well and finish it with some more cracked pepper. Red sauce wasn't my favorite until a few years ago, but this really changed the game. Your warm bowl of pasta is now ready to serve. To present it, just add a small basil leaf on top and it's good to go. That's it guys, how simple was that? Now let's move on to pasta number 2, which is my all-time favorite, spinach pesto pasta. Yum! The backbone of this dish is of course the pesto sauce, so let's take a look at the ingredients required to make this one. For making the sauce, we'll need a huge bowl of spinach, a small bowl of fresh basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of almonds, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper and olive oil. You can use a food processor for making the sauce, but a blender also works pretty well. Now let's start by adding some spinach. Actually, a lot of spinach. I really like spinach, so I would add it to anything, but if that's not the case for you, then this is a great way to get a good portion of greens into your system. Now I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, almonds, and some fresh basil leaves for that flavor. Next, I'm adding some salt to taste. I really like it salty, so I'm adding a bit more, but you can reduce it. We can finish off by adding some pepper. Now we're going to blend all these ingredients. After blending for about a minute, I'm going to add some olive oil to bring it to the sauce consistency. So keep adding the olive oil little by little until you reach the consistency you like. I think it looks perfect. So now I'm going to add my sauce to a bowl. I really love spinach and the color of it just makes me so happy. To make the pasta, you're going to add the spinach sauce into a pan on medium heat. Now we're going to cook the sauce for just a couple of minutes to remove the raw taste of spinach and garlic. If you overcook it, you will lose this luscious green color. So just 2 minutes should be enough. Now I'm going to add the pasta to the sauce. And it's ready to be mixed. Make sure you coat the pasta with all that sauce. Just before serving, we can add some cracked pepper to give that punch. Your healthy, tasty and quick spinach pesto pasta is ready to serve. This tastes amazing when it's fresh, so serve yourself a huge bowl. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button as you leave. Let me know if you've tried making these pastas, and if you did, please write some comments in the comment section below. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.